Welcome to your daily 5-minute cognitive workout. In just 5 minutes, we'll guide you through exercises designed to boost your memory, focus, and overall mental agility. Let's get started. We'll begin with the 5-4-3-2-1 sensory exercise. Take a deep breath and let's focus on your surroundings. Look around and identify 5 things you can see. Focus on their details. Now listen carefully and identify 4 things you can hear. What are 3 things you can feel? Pay attention to their texture and temperature. Next, identify 2 things you can smell or imagine a scent. Finally, focus on 1 thing you can taste or imagine a taste. Now let's stimulate your creativity with a 1-minute story exercise. Pick 3 random words such as dog, mountain, piano. You can pick your own words. Your task is to create a short story that includes all 3 words. You have 1 minute, let your imagination flow. Next, we'll work on mental categorization. Let's choose the category such as fruits. List as many fruits as you can think of in 1 minute. Again, you can pick your own category such as electronics, transportation, and etc. Ready? Go! Time for a visualization exercise. Close your eyes and imagine a place you know well, your bedroom, a park, or your favorite cafe. Spend 30 seconds mentally walking through this place. Pay attention to the details, colors, objects, textures, and sounds. Now open your eyes and try to recall as many details as you can. Finally, let's finish with the alphabet challenge. For example, A for apple, B for bus, and etc. Start with the letter A, and think of a word that begins with each letter of the alphabet. For an added challenge, focus on a specific category like animals or cities. Ready? Begin! Great job! You've completed your daily 5-minute cognitive workout. Consistency is key, so try to practice these exercises every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and effective brain-boosting routines. See you next time! Stay sharp and keep challenging your mind every day.